Hello, I'm Kunu and today we are going to learn how to reset cPanel account password. Some of web hosting provider does not allow to reset password using cPanel password reset feature. So we have divided this into two steps. In first step, we will learn how to reset password of cPanel account from cPanel area. Log into your cPanel. Scroll down and go to the preference section. This is preference section. Click on password and security icon. Enter your old password. Enter your new password, or you can enter your new password or use a password generator. Okay, don't forget to copy password to a notepad. Click on I have copied this password in a safe place and then click on use password. Now click on change your password now button. Password is successfully changed. Now we need to enter new password to access our cPanel account. Successfully login. In second step, if we forget our cPanel password and want to reset it, then we can reset password from our hosting provider client area and need to follow their instruction, or you can reset password from cPanel login page. Open cPanel login page. This is cPanel login page. Click on reset password. Here you can find reset password. Enter your cPanel username and then click on reset password button. Okay, you can see now we need to enter our cPanel email address. Now click on send security code button. Okay, now you need to check your email. Now we need to check our email. Okay, we check our email and received this message. Your password security reset code is, so we need to enter this code in security code to complete password reset. Okay, our password. Okay, now we need to enter a new password or generate a new password. Copy it and paste in confirm password. Click on set password. Now we can log into our cPanel account using our new password. Logging successfully. Okay, what you should do if your hosting provider disabled feature of resetting password. For example, okay, what we can do if reset password does not allow us to reset password or this feature is disabled. For example, you can see this feature is disabled. In this case, you can reset your password from web hosting client area. However, if it's impossible to reset your password from client area, then you need to open a ticket with your hosting provider and they will reset your cPanel password. Thank you for watching.